In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Record ID in HubSpot. First, you need to log into HubSpot. This is the gateway to accessing all the features and functionalities within the platform. You will see the login page where you enter your credentials. Input your email address and password, then click the Login button. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your HubSpot dashboard. This is where all your marketing, sales, and customer service tools are located. Logging in is crucial because it ensures that your data remains secure and only accessible to you. Next, go to the CRM section and select the object you want. HubSpot organizes your data into different objects such as contacts, companies, deals, and tickets. Each of these categories serves a specific purpose, helping you manage your interactions effectively. To navigate, look for the CRM option in the main menu, hover over it, and you will see a drop-down menu listing all available objects. Clicking on the object you want will take you to a dedicated page displaying all records under that category. This step is essential because identifying the right object allows you to focus on the specific data relevant to your needs. After selecting the desired object, it's time to open the record you are interested in. You will see a list of records associated with that object. Scan through the list to find the specific record you need. Once you spot it, click on it to open the detailed view. In this view, you will have access to all the properties and information linked to that record. Opening the record is vital as it gives you a closer look at the details, enabling you to extract the information you need. In the left panel of the record view, click on View All Properties if needed. This action expands the available information related to the record. You may not see all properties displayed by default, so clicking this option reveals everything. This is important because it ensures you have a complete view of the record, including all relevant fields that may contain the record ID you are looking for. Now you need to search for the record ID. In the Expanded Properties section, scroll through or use the search bar if available. Type in Record ID to locate the specific property. This property contains the unique identification number for the record you are viewing. Finding this ID is crucial as it helps you reference this specific record across different integrations or systems. Once you locate the Record ID property, it will display the unique ID for that record. This ID typically consists of a series of numbers and letters that serve as a unique identifier. You can copy this ID for your records or any further usage you may need it for. Knowing your Record ID is important because it makes tracking and managing records across various platforms much simpler. With that, you have successfully found the Record ID in HubSpot. This simple process allows you to efficiently manage your records and utilize the unique identifiers for various tasks. You can now apply this knowledge to improve your workflow and enhance your data management practices. Thank you for following along, and happy HubSpotting!